It's time for me to leave Kuala Lumpur. My next destination city of my trip is Malacca. Malacca has got one of the 4 Malaysia UNESCO sites. Together with Georgetown in Penang, Malacca is Malaysia's only historical UNESCO site. Generally, travelling in Malaysia by train is a cheap and fast and viable mode of transport. Unfortunately, it does not apply to this leg of the transportation from Kuala Lumpur to Malacca. For this simple reason that the nearest train station in Malacca Old City is Tamping, which is around 40 km or close to an hour of car journey. Comparatively, the bus terminal hub for Malacca, Melaka Sentral, is just a mere 3.5 km or 6 minutes by car from the old town. As such, taking a bus to Malacca is more viable than taking a train. Having said all this, there is an additional complexity. The bus terminal in Kuala Lumpur is a 12-kilometer journey from the city centre. This Kuala Lumpur bus terminal is called Terminal Bersepadu Selatan. That translates to Southern Integrated Terminal in English, or everybody just call it TBS. To add to the confusion, some also use TBS and BTS interchangeably. BTS or Bandar Tasek Selatan is the train station and TBS is the bus terminal. Both the train station and the bus terminal are located just next to one another. Anyway, most local there knows the difference. Despite there are buses and subway going to TBS from KL, in my opinion, the fastest and the simpler way for tourists is to go by way of KLIA Transit from KL Sentral station. It is only one stop away from KL Sentral and the journey costs 6 ringgit. The fastest way to go to TBS, which is the bus station, is via KLIA Transit. It might cost a little bit more, but it's only one stop. Yeah. The difference between KLIA Express and KLIA Transit. There are 2 types of fast transportation from KL City to the airport. The KLIA Express offering a direct non-stop train service to the airport. Whereas the KLIA Transit is not the direct train. Instead, there are 3 stops in between KL Sentral and KLIA. And so, if you want to go to TBS or BTS, make sure you take the KLIA Transit and not the KLIA Express. BTS station is the first stop along the KLIA Transit if you start counting from the KL Sentral. Oh, train has come. I'm at TBS station, just a stop away from KLIA Central. The bus station is just over there, just next to the railway station. Alright, here come the madness. To a new visitor who just arrived at the TBS station, seeing the huge crowd gathering at the lobby TBS station can be very daunting and intimidating. Oh my god. And what you are seeing is just midweek. Imagine if that is Friday and weekend. Same old thing play out again. I was here a few months ago Actually, I don't know how I managed to secure a ticket out of this madness. Maybe let me try the e-ticket, or maybe later on, worst come to worst, I will just use an app to buy it. Looking at the queue, there is no way I can and want to join the physical queue. So to buy the ticket, what I can do is that there is a row of automated ticket buying machine by the side of the ticket hall. Cash and international credit cards are accepted. I use cash because I am conscious of using credit cards when overseas. Getting into the platform of the bus station is like taking an airplane. After buying the bus ticket, there is a common gantry which leads to the bus platform. All bus platforms are located underground. Gate number 3 is supposed to be my departure gate. Just to be safe, search out your platform that is on the display and wait patiently for the bus. It is advisable to be there at the platform 30 minutes before bus departure. The bus journey from KL to Malacca is 145 kilometers and takes about 3 hours on the bus. There is just the north-south highway along the main road artery on Peninsular Malaysia, so expect heavy traffic along peak hours. My destination in Malacca is at Melaka Sentral, and that is just a few kilometers away from Malacca Old Town and the touristy area. One can get a grab into the Old Town, but for me, I like trying out new things, so I tried the convoluted bus system. I've just alighted at Malacca Sentral. So from Malacca Sentral, where I am now, there's still a distance to the Old Town. To start off the local bus system, one has to bear with a relatively long wait at the bus terminal. Just next to the intercity bus station, there is this domestic bus terminal. So this is for the more budget conscious people. Bus 17 brings us from the station to the old city. So the journey costs 150 instead of $9 by Grab. Let's say how much? $7.50. My wait is probably more than half an hour before I finally board the bus. Given the unpredictable timing, I somehow suspect even local hardly take buses. The bus takes about 25 minutes before I see Malacca landmark appearing right in front of me. That's the Red Square, and also known as the Dutch Square. And finally, I reach Malacca Old Town. I'm alighted right here, right in front of this Museum Bella. Okay, right now what I'm going to do is that I am going to find my accommodation first. Yeah. I've not got my accommodation yet, so I'm just going to walk in, knock the door,